Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we are going to discuss Boolean logic part 3. So far we have discussed about development of Boolean logic, binary valued quantities, logical operations, basic logic gate, and some basic fundamental laws behind the Boolean algebra or logic, principle of duality, and De Morgan's theorem. At last we were discussed about how to reduce the Boolean expression. In today's class we are going to discuss about NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. NOR gate, the NOR gate has two or more input signals but produce only one output signal. If all the inputs are 0, then the output signal will be 1. If either of the two inputs is 1, the output will be 0. So the NOR gate is nothing but it's inverted OR gate. The NOR gate can have as many input as desired. So no matter how many inputs are there, the action of NOR gate is same. So all 0 input produce output as 1. That truth table is given for the NOR action. If it is 2 input or NOR gate, if all the inputs are low, you will get the result as 1. Otherwise the result will be 0. So the logical meaning of NOR gate is given in the picture A. So which represents, first we need to do x plus y with the help of OR gate, then apply that inverter symbol so that you will get x plus y the whole bar. So the same circuit diagram will be represented in different way, like with the 2 input NOT gate, the OR gate with the bubble symbol, so which represents the same functionality of your picture A. So similar way we can apply this concept for 3 input NOR gate and 4 input NOR gate. The NAND gate has 2 or more input signal but only one output signal. If all the inputs are high, then the output produces is 0. So it is nothing but the inverted form of the AND gate. NAND gate truth table is given. It may be either for 2 input or 3 input. If all the input are high, the output will be 0. If any one of the input is high or low, the output will be high. So the logical meaning of NAND gate is given here. In order to apply your NAND operation, first we need to do the AND operation followed by NOT. So here XY will be given to the AND gate. The result of the AND gate will be inverted so that you will get the XY the whole bar. So the same logical circuit can be re-represented with the help of NAND gate. So the NAND gate is nothing but first we need to do the AND operation. At last, instead of inverter, if you are putting bubble symbol in end of the AND gate, it will produce the NAND operation result. So here we have the 2 input NAND gate, 3 input NAND gate and 4 input NAND gate. The XOR gate can have 2 or more inputs but will produces only one output signal. The XOR gate produces output 1 for only those input combinations that have odd number of 1s. In Boolean algebra, the plus sign stands for XOR operation. For example, A XOR B can be written as A plus B. XOR gate, here the 2 input and 3 input XOR gate is given here. The number of inputs, like if number of ones in the input is even, then it will be produce the result as 0. If the number of ones in the input is odd, then it will produce the result as 1. So here the XOR gate symbol is given for 2 input XOR gate, 3 input and 4 input XOR gate, and it can be summarized as like if you want to perform XOR addition. So if you are adding 0 and 0, it will produce the result as 0. If you are adding 0 and 1 with the help of XOR gate, it will produce the result as 1. And if you are adding 1 and 0, it will produce the result as 1. If both the inputs are 1, it will produce the output as 0. XNOR gate is logically equivalent to an inverted XOR gate. So the XOR gate followed by the NOT gate. So the XNOR gate produces output 1 for only those input combinations that have the even number of 1s. So the bubble small circle on the output of NAND gate, NOR gate and XNOR gate, which represents the complementation. So XNOR gate will produce the output as 1 only when the even number of ones in the input. So here are the 2 input and 3 input XNOR gate truth table is given. The logical symbol for the XNOR gate is given for 2 input and 3 input and 4 input. So here is an example for designing a circuit. From the given function, we need to write the function operations with the logical names. For example, if you have plus in the function, that can be rewritten as OR, and multiplication can be written as and not operation can be written as not. So here from the function x or y can be written as x and y inputs are given to the OR gate, it will produce the x plus y result. Similarly, x bar plus z bar, so x will be inverted and z will be inverted. That inverted inputs will be given to OR gate, it produces the output as x bar plus z bar. So at last we need to combine all the results with the help of AND gate, which will produce your given function as an output. So in today's class we were discussed about NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So here are some questions are given based on the today's topic. Just go through the topic and find the solution for the questions. Note down all the topics and practice well. With this we have come to the end of chapter number 3. Thank you, students.